I'm a farm kid. You don't outsource your farming, you do your own farming. So our philosophy has been from the beginning is to do stuff ourselves. I think Weiler is similar to a lot of our customers because we're pretty close to the ground. Building equipment here where we build it from scratch. We saw the steel, we laser plate the steel, we weld it, we paint it. We're starting from the ground and then we get that thing on a truck, and when you're done, you're proud of it.
I'm an engineer by nature, and I truly enjoy the actual design work of understanding how a product goes together, doing that design work, getting it machined out in the shop, weld it together, and then take it out and show that same customer who asked about it, and then get their feedback.
Having Pat Weiler and Bill Hood is integrated in the business as what they are. It means a lot to the entire workforce. Being able to rub elbows with them and suggest design changes and stuff on the fly, it's pretty big.
I've had Pat personally approach me and say, hey, I just got back from with a customer. They feel like this would be a good option to add to our machines, and he would get our input and work towards applying what the customer's requested.
This is the first place I've ever worked that the owner is as engaged as Pat Weiler is and willing to listen to any issues that you may be having and address any type of quality issues or anything that we see.
He's definitely thinking about the customers as well as his employees and making sure that he brings in more people as we bring in more products, more lines, more changes, more innovations.
Our management is encouraged to walk the floor, talk to employees. That's the least filtered amount of information we can get is talking directly with that person, just like talking to the customer.
You realize the people who are doing that job day in, day out are the ones who know what's going on. They know how to give you feedback of, hey, if we did this a little different, we could be a little more efficient at it.
I'm pretty involved in developing product because that's what I like to do. So I'm out there talking to customers, preferably on the job or in the woods, and hear what their problems are, and pretty soon you got a laundry list of improvements that make the machine better.
A couple of years ago, Pat Weiler was up here doing some work, and it was certainly below zero with the wind chill, and he had his coveralls on. He was on top of a mountain in western Maine working on the H-157 and his kind of hands-on aspect. That's the strength of having an engineering company working with us.